Hello kids! Today, we will learn about movements of animals. Animals move differently. Some animals walk and run, just like dog, cow, goat, giraffe, lion, and cat. Other animals crawl, just like alligator, caterpillar, worm, lizard, and snail. Some animals hop and jump, just like kangaroo, rabbit, frog, and grasshopper. Some other animals swim, just like fish, seahorse, whale, jellyfish, octopus, and dolphin. Other animals fly. Bird, bat, butterflies, bee, owl, and dragonfly. Let us practice. Cross out the animal with different movements. We have here kangaroo, rabbit, and bird. Which animal has different movement? Yes, the bird. Alligator, cat, and dog. Which animal has different movement? Right, the alligator. Bat, whale, and butterflies. Which has a different movement? Yes, the whale. In this group, octopus, seahorse, and lion. Yes, the lion. How about in this group? Frog, lizard, and worm. Which has a different movement? Yes, the frog. Good job, kids! That's all for today. It's time to do challenges in your book. Keep on learning. See you next time.